Morning everyone. It's 6:30 Tuesday morning. The birds are arriving today, so we're up and off early. We've got a few foxes that are causing problems as well, so we're going to have to sort them out. But first priority is getting the birds in. So we're making our way to the farm now. Pens are ready, feeds in, water's in. We've pretty much done everything we can do at this stage. So we're going to get them in, show you that, spend the day with them. See you in a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, pop him down, let him go. Birds arrived 7:45 this morning, so it's now 11:30. We've been really just sat looking at them. We've been very lucky, they've gone very calmly. We've only had one go out over the wire so far, so we're going to go around and see if we can gently walk that one back in again, but so far they've been nice and relaxed. They're looking good, strong fit birds, haven't lost any, which is always a useful sign. And now we've got the next couple of days to hopefully let them quietly get settled in, work out the lay of the land, and ideally start seeing this as home. So I think the next week will be quite a lot of hard work. That'll be the telling time. We can hear the buzzards up around. It's almost as if the dinner bell's gone. We saw the sparrowhawk earlier. Gave quite an interested look over his shoulder, so it is nice to see them here, and it's one of those things where we're going to have to just put up with. But we've been doing a bit of work on the foxes, and we've got a bit of a problem there. I was out the other evening and there are far too many, so I'm going to spend the day just watching the birds today, just see that they're settling in, make sure we haven't missed any patches on the fence, anything they can get stuck in, but also just see that they're settling in nicely and seeming quite relaxed. Then this evening they've cut a few silage fields out the back here and one up the top here, so we'll get the thermal out and stake that out. Well, as I was saying, the birds seem to be settling in well. There are 3 of us here. We're slowly wandering around and trying to keep an eye on them, and bugger me if we haven't lost one already. Looks like, I don't know, maybe a buzzard's taken it. Unbelievable. Let me show you. So yeah, here we are. Birds have only been in 3 and a bit hours, and something has already pegged that one. I've no idea how something got in, pegged that bird and killed it and left it there when we've been all round. Well, I'll have to go in and pick that one up in a second, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Unbelievable. Hasn't been here 5 minutes. Well, I mean, on first day you might expect to possibly lose 1 or 2 to the stress, being caged, being boxed, but they all came out in good health, good as gold, and something has just dropped in on that one. I mean, laughingly, we've always called this buzzard corner. This was the bit we remodelled the pen to try and stop them bunching up, and it's like history repeating. Got the raised pop holes here, and these ones are designed to let the birds come up from outside the pen, up and in through the fox grid, and because there's that little hop down for them, it's meant to mean that the birds on the inside of the pen won't hop up through the fox grid and out through the pop hole. So we've got the old ground level ones as well, but we've closed those off for the first few days until the birds are ideally a bit more settled, but left these ones open, just any that do hop the fence. We've got 4 of them. We've got a way at least of trying to get them back inside.